Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows 11 computer. Before install the Jupyter Notebook, you have to install Python on your computer. I have created a previous video to how to download and install Python on your computer. If you don't know how to use Python, just go to visit that video and then come back to this video. Once you are installed the Python, go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes on the pop-up menu. Now you have to check the Python is successfully installed by just type python space version and hit enter. You can see I have installed latest version of Python, and also you need to search Python package manager is installed or not by just type pip space version, hit enter. Yeah, you can see that also in the latest version. Okay, once that is completed, you have to install the notebook by type pip space install space notebook and hit enter. Wait for the installation complete. It will take small time. Now it is downloading. Okay, now you can see it is successfully installed. Once it is done, type Jupyter space notebook and hit enter. Now it will be asked the browser to open that one. You can choose any browser, just tap on it, tap on OK. If you are getting error to open the file, you can just go to the terminal and you can see alternative links. Copy the first link like this and Ctrl C and open the browser. In the address bar, paste that link and hit enter. You can see now it is working. Waiting for the complete. Okay, now it is working. So you can create a new Python notebook and you can work with that. So you have another option. If you don't need to go to the command prompt and then install the Jupyter Notebook, you can download the Anaconda and then you can use the Jupyter Notebook using that one. I will show you how. First you need to open new tab and type Anaconda download, hit enter and go to the first option. You can skip the registration for this one and choose the distribution install, choose your operating system and tap on the installer. Now you can see it is start to download. It is around 1 GB. Wait for the download complete. Okay, once it is installed, you can install that using just tap on next button. Then after, open Anaconda navigator from the start menu, click launch under Jupyter Notebook. Then you will be able to find Jupyter Notebook interface on your browser. So these are the two methods you can use to install and use the Jupyter Notebook. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.